Happy day, students. Today I am going to deal with 10th standard English book back exercises on unit 4, the attic. Dear students, turn to page 100. We shall see the vocabulary. So first time we are learning compound words. What is a compound word? A compound word is a combination of two or more words that function as a single unit of meaning. Let's see the C. Okay. Complete the following table with two more compound words. Noun plus noun. Kitchen garden already given. Timetable, snowball. Next one, noun plus verb. Mouthwash. Next, rainfall, catwalk. Verb plus noun. Watchman, call taxi, bathroom. Preposition plus noun. Overcoat, afterlife, bypass. Gerund plus noun. Bleaching powder, drinking water, driving school. Noun plus gerund. Housekeeping, horse riding, bird watching. Adjective plus preposition plus noun. Good for nothing, free for all. Noun plus preposition plus noun. Mother-in-law, father-in-law, lady-in-law. Moving on to next exercise, D. Combine the words in column A with those in column B to form compound words, as many as you can. Okay. So, rainfall. Rain will coincide with rainfall. Snowball. Starlight. Drawback. Plaything. Lottery ticket. Underworld. Manhole. Sidewalk. Footnote. Next exercise, you see E. Form compound words from the boxes given below. Okay. She visited the hairstylist to have a clean haircut. Next one, Darni had given the saris for dry cleaning. Third one, the greenhouse effect is a natural process that warms the earth's surface. Fourth one, never wait for an alarm clock to wake you up. Fifth, the children were late to school as there was a traffic jam near the toll plaza. Sixth one, the government expects every individual to promptly pay the income tax. Next one, people usually wear sunglasses during summer. Next, the patients were asked to sit in the waiting room until the doctor arrived. Next one, you see, with teamwork, we are able to multiply our output. Last one, 10th one, the room was looking bright with a colorful wallpaper. Moving on to next, form new words by adding appropriate prefix or suffix. See, first one, accurate. This is prefix, inaccurate. Second one, understand. Prefix, misunderstand. Third one, practice. Prefix, malpractice. Fourth one, technology. Suffix, technological. Fifth one, fashion, fashionable. Moving on to next. Sixth one, different. Prefix, indifferent. Seventh one, child. Childhood is suffix. Eighth one, national. Nationality is suffix. Ninth one, origin. Original is suffix. 10th one, enjoy. Enjoyment is suffix. Moving on to next exercise, frame sentences of your own using any 5 newly formed words. First one, if I don't invite my friends, they may misunderstand me. Second one, Ravi had an unpleasant childhood. Third one, malpractice in the exam will not be entertained under any circumstance. Fourth one, the figure quoted is inaccurate. Fifth one, he did not first tell us his original name. Moving on to next exercise, G. Fill in the blanks by adding appropriate prefix, suffix to the words given. Okay. First one, he was sleeping comfortably in his couch. Second, Kavya rides a bicycle to school. Third one, there were only a handful of people in the theatre. Fourth one, it is illegal to cut sandalwood trees. Fifth, The arrival of the president has been expected for the last half an hour. 6. The man behaved normally in front of the crowd. 7th. Swati had no intention of visiting the doctor. 8th. The bacteria are so small that you need a telescope to see them. Moving on to grammar. Conjunctions. Conjunctions are known as connectors or linkers or link words. We use conjunctions to join words, a group of words or sentences. There are 3 types of conjunctions you should know. Coordinating conjunctions. First, coordinating conjunctions link 2 groups of words that independently make sense. Examples: and, or, for, otherwise, so, but, yet, still, as well as, etc. Moving on to next, subordinating conjunctions we use in the complex sentences. These conjunctions help us to introduce subordinate clauses. They are also used to subordinate or dependent clauses to main clauses. Examples: when, though, although, since, until, till, after, as, before, if, unless, whereas, while, in case, as long as soon as much as, therefore, so that, because, as if, however, etc. Next one is correlative conjunctions. These conjunctions are always used in pairs. The 2 connectors in each sentence that are related to each other are known as correlative conjunctions. Examples: neither nor, either or, not only but also, scarcely, when, both and, no sooner than, such, that, etc. Now we shall see the conjunctions and their functions. See first, and, not only but also, as well as, moreover, furthermore, besides, in addition to. It is helping to add information. That is the function of these conjunctions. Moving on to next, since, as, for, because, since, then, before that, after that. It indicates cause or reason. Next one, but, yet, still, nevertheless, on the other hand, though, although, even though, however, on the contrary, to express contrast. Okay. Next one, therefore, consequently, then, so, so that, hence, thus, to show result or purpose. When, while, after, before, till, until, as soon as long as, to indicate time. Next one, if, unless, whether, in case, provided that, to add condition. Next one, or, either, or, neither, nor, otherwise, or else, to express choice. Or, either, or, neither, nor, otherwise, or else, to express choice. Next one, likewise, similarly, to denote comparison. Where, wherever, to denote place. Moving on to the next exercise. A. Complete the sentences given below, choosing the right connectors given in the brackets. Okay. Call me in case you need money. Second one, I forgot that I had to meet the principal. Okay. Third one, though he is 90 years old, he is in the pink of health. Fourth one, it is raining. Take an umbrella or else you will get drenched. Fifth one, they faced many hardships. Nevertheless, they are always cheerful. Moving on to next exercise B. Fill in the blanks with the connector that goes with the underlined words. Both the minister and the officers visited the affected areas. Okay, second one. Jaya teaches not only English but also science. Third one. Either Raghu or Bala will have to buy vegetables from the market. Fourth one. No sooner did I enter the house than it started drizzling. Moving on to the next exercise C. Combine the pairs of sentences using appropriate connectors. We became late. We did not miss the train. Though we came late, we did not miss the train. We came late, but we did not miss the train. Second one, they checked the packet twice, then they sealed it. After they had checked the packet twice, they sealed it. Moving on to third one, Sita saw a snake, at once she ran away. As soon as Sita saw a snake, she ran away. No sooner did Sita see the snake than she ran away. Fourth one, Robert completed the project. He submitted it to the teacher. After Robert had completed the project, he submitted it to his teacher. Fifth one, Yusuf was running high temperature. He could not take part in the competition. As or since you can use. As Yusuf was running high temperature, he could not take part in the competition. Now, moving on to the next exercise D. Tick the correct linker. Okay. Though he was honest, he was punished. Walk carefully. Okay. Otherwise, you will fall down. Third one. My mother called me dash. I was playing football. While. Timing, no? While. My salary is low. Nevertheless, I find the work interesting. The passengers rushed to board the bus as soon as it arrived. Okay. Moving on to E. Suitable linkers. First one. Though I was alive and had a human heart, answered the statue, I did not know what tears were when I lived in the palace and sorrow was not allowed to enter. My courtiers called me the happy prince because happy indeed I was. So I lived and soon I died. Second one, many writers make incorrect sentences when they try to put sentences together. They may make grammatical errors and leave out important punctuation marks. Making such mistakes is quite common at the time of preparing the first draft, so we must carefully edit his final draft. Third one, in most large cities and towns of our country, there are special schools for girls, but there are many co-educational schools where girls and boys study together. Most parents allow their daughters to attend these schools, though there are some parents who are against such schools for girls in the age of 14 or 15. Now moving on to F. Rearrange the words in the correct order to make meaningful sentences. Okay. First one. See, I am as healthy as you are. Second one. Since today is your birthday, put on the new dress. Third one. Though Rani is allergic to dogs, she has 6 of them. Fourth one. Reuben speaks 2 languages besides German. Fifth one. If you apply for a loan, you will get it immediately. Dear students, hope you have understood up to this. I shall continue the rest in the next class. Thank you.